this is very, very unfortunate. I had also been hearing few news since past some time, and I think I had been very, very vocal on especially this issue that one should not go for fad diets. See, we need to understand what is dieting. Diet is the most natural thing. Food, intake of food is the most natural thing. Diet is not like clothes that you keep on changing every day. It is not a fashion that comes and go. But unfortunately, all these fad diets come as a fashion, and they leave a lot of harmful effects on your body. And there is a certain group of people, there are certain groups of people which I have observed so many times, who are so conscious about trying and so happy about trying different diets, and it leaves us with a lot of harmful effects on our body. See, as far as diet is concerned, we need to understand one basic thing, that we have to eat to live, not that we have to live to eat. हमें जीने के लिए खाना है, खाने के लिए नहीं जीना है. 24 hours you're just thinking about food. And second most dangerous thing is that you have divided and distributed your food into itna calories, this much protein, this much calories, this much carbohydrates. You are not looking at food in terms of happiness. You are not looking at food in terms of well-being. There are some very simple rules of food which I had shared with you so many times. We need to understand what is more important for you. Is it more important for you to lose weight, or more important for you is to stay healthy? In this unending race of losing weight, people are losing lives, which is very, very unfortunate. Somebody is dying with kidney failure. Somebody is having excess of proteins, too much of protein. Somebody is having too much of carbohydrates. Somebody is not having proper nutrition in their diet. If you want to lose weight, just stuck to your staple diet. There are some very simple rules of diet which I had been sharing in a lot of my discourses, and also in a lot of my workshops and courses, and of course in a lot of videos also which are available on internet. Just begin your day with fruits, fresh fruits. What can be better than that? Have your proper meals at proper time. Fix your time for food. Every day changing time of your meal intake is absolutely wrong. And if you really want to lose weight, don't eat anything after 7. That's the best thing you can do. See, nature has given you a cycle, a time, a window to eat. You should always start eating after sunrise and finish your food before sunset. One should not eat after sunset. You might think this is also like intermittent fasting. No. In intermittent fasting, you fix your window to eat. But here in the traditional Ayurvedic way, yogic way of eating, nature has selected the window for you to eat. So, always begin your food, your diet with sunrise, and your last meal should be before sunset. After sunset, one should not eat anything. Other than that, I always say, I always share the pyramid of body. So your pyramid, if you want body like this, so breakfast, lunch, dinner. If you want body like this, breakfast, lunch and dinner. And most of us are having body like this right now, which is very unfortunate. And then the simplest rule is stuck to natural foods, food which we get directly from nature. Say no to dabba food, say no to non-vegetarian food, say no to any toxic food, say no to tamasic food. Stuck to natural foods and have a balanced diet. These fads are really unfortunate, because these fads, it not only shows your ignorance towards diet and food, but also shows your hatred for yourself. I want to get slim, I will go for this diet. I want to gain weight, I'll go for this diet. Accept yourself. That is most important. And then stuck to a staple diet. Staple diet is very important. There is no shortcut to health. There is no shortcut to weight loss, even if you are doing it for weight loss. Please understand. Don't fall into this trap of fad diets, into this trap of fashionable diets. Please stuck to a staple diet and have it every single day. You should have a nutritious diet, a healthy diet which is full of love, diet which is cooked with love, food that is made with love. You're having proteins, but those proteins have gone through so much of fear, so much of hatred, so much of anger. You are eating those emotions. You're not only eating protein. So just introspect. What are you eating? Why are you eating? How are you eating? As Vandaniya Gurudev always say, क्यों खाएं, कब खाएं, कितना खाएं, कैसे खाएं. This is very important. So just a few rules. Eat in a window of sun after sunrise till sunset. This is the best you can do for your body. Natural food, sattvic food. Say no to all kind of tamasic foods and all kind of artificial foods. Third and most important, always eat with this pyramid: breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this way you can stay healthy. And other than that, practice yoga abhyas every single day. Be very active with your physical activities. Do something every single day which makes you and your soul happy. If you love dancing, dance for 15 minutes. Take out 15 minutes to do that thing which you love doing most. It is very important. So if you want to stay healthy, stuck to these very simple rules of life and your life will be beautiful. You don't need to go for any fad diet.